Hi, this is Rob Packard from the Medical Device Academy, and this is a short video explaining what you get when you purchase our procedure on software tool validation, SYS-051. It's actually our newest procedure that we've written. Mary Vada wrote it recently. We already had a software validation procedure, but this is specifically for software tools that are used in your quality system. So had it as a separate procedure. Another related procedure would be your process validation procedure, which is SYS-014. So I'm going to take you to the procedure and show you what you get, what's inside that procedure. So here it is, SYS-51 software tool validation. It's a second draft of that procedure. Mary Vada is the author of the procedure. And in the beginning of the procedure, we give some references to requirements for validating software tools. We give inputs to the software tool validation procedure and outputs, which would be records of that validation. Then we have a revision history location. So in here, if you were implementing this procedure, you'd update your logo, you'd delete the draft 2, and you would approve the procedure. And you would fill in this DCN section indicating what is the approval document number that you used for approving this procedure. And down below, you would indicate who are the people that are responsible. So would it be the quality manager, process owner, or do you have other titles in your company that would be more appropriate? There's another place up here where we have company name usually. I'm not seeing it right now, but wherever you see company name in brackets, you should replace that with your own company name. She walks you through step by step in what's required for doing the validation. There's additional monitoring and measuring of every procedure. We put that in every procedure. We have training requirements, so you would indicate, depending on what the role is, what the training is required. We have a risk-based quality system, so every procedure has a section on risk management, indicating how it applies to that particular procedure. And then the last section is on records. And this is, if you have digital records, you would even indicate where the URL is on your server, where those files should be stored. And this indicates each of the forms that are considered records. So that gives you everything that's in our software tool validation procedure. Mary currently is in the process of updating some of our templates to actually provide examples that have been filled in for projects, in scrubbing out any confidential information and going back to the customers, making sure that we've redacted enough information that it's acceptable to share with other companies. But she should have some great examples for you. But if you're interested in actually talking with her about the procedure and how to use it, if you go to the page where we actually are selling this procedure, here's the page. If you go right above her picture here, you'll see a little Calendly link. If you click on that, it'll take you to her Calendly calendar, and you can schedule a 30-minute meeting, and it'll tell you what days she's available, and it will automatically send you a Zoom link for a meeting with her. If you want to purchase the procedure, you've made up your mind, you're going to buy it, you click on that link, and it will put it in your shopping cart. And then we also have discount codes. We only have 2 in there. One is for whatever the procedure is of the month. So probably when Mary launches that new set of examples, we'll probably put in a discount for this particular procedure for that month, and you get it half price. But then we also have a 20% discount. So if you apply that, that's for volume purchases. It'll give you an error message if you're only buying one procedure. But let's say you go to our SOPs page and you buy a couple of more of these. So let's say I buy the auditing procedure, and so I'm going to add that to my list. There's that added. And then let's say I'm going to add one more. Let's add the 44, which is the software validation procedure. And so now I have, I got to add it. Okay, so now we have 3 different procedures that I'm purchasing. And whenever you have those 3, you try to apply this discount code for 20. And there you go, you get your 20% discount. So $199 saved. So that's how to save a little bit of money when you're purchasing multiple procedures. If you decide later you're going to buy a second and a third procedure, just shoot me an email and I'll refund some of the money or send you a special invoice for the lower amount. Thank you very much. If you have any other questions, like I said, just click on the link for the Calendly link to ask Mary your questions. And if you have general quality system questions, you can either contact her or click on the contact us link and set up a meeting with me. Thank you very much and hope this was helpful. Have a great day.